Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. This week, the ground shifted in Latin America's largest medical device market. Brazil's regulatory agency, ANVISA, has officially published its new resolution governing software as a medical device, or SaMD. This is not a minor update. It's a fundamental overhaul that aligns Brazil with the International Medical Device Regulators Forum, the IMDRF. This move has massive implications for global medtech companies looking to enter the Brazilian market. For years, Brazil's software regulations were complex and somewhat outdated, creating a significant barrier to entry. Now, ANVISA has adopted the IMDRF's risk-based classification system. This means SaMD products will be categorized into classes 1 through 4, based on the potential harm they could pose to patients. On the surface, this is fantastic news for manufacturers. If your product already has clearance in another IMDRF-aligned jurisdiction, like Europe or Canada, your technical documentation is now much closer to what ANVISA requires. This promises to shorten timelines and reduce the costs of dossier preparation. However, the real story is in the details. While Brazil is harmonizing its framework, it is not a simple copy and paste of international standards. ANVISA has woven in specific, strict requirements that are uniquely Brazilian. The most critical of these relate to cybersecurity and data privacy, which are tied directly to Brazil's General Data Protection Law, the LGPD. For example, consider a US-based company with an FDA-cleared AI-powered diagnostic tool. They see the news from ANVISA and believe they can fast-track their registration. They submit their existing dossier, highlighting their robust cybersecurity measures compliant with HIPAA. 3 months later, they receive a rejection. The reason is their data management plan did not explicitly address the LGPD's stringent requirements on patient data processing and server location, which the new SaMD resolution now fully incorporates. This oversight could force them into a 6 to 9 month cycle of redevelopment and resubmission. The key observation is this: the new framework creates 2 types of companies: those who see harmonization and assume it means simplification, and those who understand it creates a hybrid regulatory model. Success in Brazil now depends on leveraging a global regulatory backbone while meticulously adapting to local Brazilian requirements. The strategic winners will be those who can navigate this dual system. They will use their global data to get 90% of the way there, but partner with local experts to perfect the final 10%, ensuring full compliance with standards like the LGPD. This change signals a maturation of the Brazilian market, demanding a more sophisticated and localized approach to regulatory strategy. To understand how your SaMD product fits into Brazil's new landscape, you can email or visit Pure Global.